Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the Power by Max tension control arms, and I had a video on this previously. So it's really simple. All you'll need is a 17mm socket, which is somewhere here. Here it is. You need a 17mm socket and a 17mm wrench. So I use the offset closed end wrenches. You can use anything that you have. You can use a ratchet. I use an offset with a flex head ratchet. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using my Ingersoll wrench 2135 PTI, just because you guys don't want to see me like doing this all day. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the arm right over here. It's held in by a bolt on the one side over here and then two nuts on this end. So if you are lucky enough to have all of your splash shields taken off, then that is great, but unfortunately my car is still very stock and it has all the air ducts and the splash shields and stuff. So there's a little hole if you do have the splash shields. Yeah, so what you want to do is take this for access behind and grab a hold of the nut, make sure that it's on there really good, and then take, without losing your lighting, take your tool and blast that off. So that should come off. And this is what it's held in by. It's here. Okay, so next what you want to do is remove the two bolts that are in here. I know it's kind of hard to see, maybe the splash shield's in the way. But take your 17 and you want to go up into the control arm without moving your lighting. You want to grab a hold of the nut and blast it off. So here's one, and the other one is in here somewhere. And here's the other one. So here it is, and that's what the nuts were on. Here. And as you can see, the bushing has a little bit of an offset, so this has more of a protrusion than this side. So if your tension control rods have that protrusion, then make sure that you install the correct sides. So this is from the passenger side, and the protrusion is towards inside of the vehicle. Okay, so take your arm and match up the length to the stock one. And what you want to do is line up this bolt in here with the rod, and it could get a little tricky, but you just have to kind of feel your way in. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Take your nut. And thread your nut on. Always start your threads by hand so that you don't cross thread them. And you want to take the hardware that's included with the tension control rods And you want to, because we have our arms already matched up to the stock length, it should just go in. Yes, and it does. Ready, bolt in. And take your other nut and thread your bolt in. And then from here on, all you gotta do is install it in reverse order. So take your wrench, hold the nuts on the other side and zip on that bolt, and then grab your tool, put it underneath the control arm, find the 2 nuts, and blast it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. And until the next one, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!